What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create blank widgets on your home screen. This app allows you to create transparent widgets on the home screen with no labels, and that's what makes this app different from any other widget app. The app is called MD Blank. You can go to the App Store and type it in, or you guys can go to the description and I'll link it down there. Now this is super easy. The first thing you want to do is go into edit mode and then swipe over to a blank page. Now take a screenshot of the blank page, and once you do that, we're going to go into the app. Select the screenshot that you just took and set it for both light and dark. And that's it. Now you can go ahead and customize your home screen. You're going to want to go into edit mode, tap on the plus icon and find the actual widget. Let's go with the medium size one here and click add widget. As you can see, it mimics the background, giving you the impression that there's nothing there. Now let's say we want to move it to the middle of the screen. Click and drag it and choose one of the three options and it'll mimic whichever spot you choose. Now for the video, I'm just going to go ahead and pick mid. Now the reason you're doing this is because when you move the widget from the top part of the screen to the middle part of the screen, or even the bottom part of the screen, it's still going to have that top part of the screenshotted image you took earlier. So in order to change it to the middle part of the image or the bottom part of the image, you're going to want to go back into the widget and change it from top to mid or to bottom. You can also choose to have a label which puts the text in the middle of the widget, which makes the text look like it's floating. I think you guys are really going to enjoy this app, and as I mentioned, go ahead and grab it now because these apps do tend to get taken down because they have no label. Anyways, leave a comment down below on what you guys think. That's all I got for you guys, and as always, thank you, I appreciate you, and I will see you guys in the next video.